Are you feeling overwhelmed by your mortgage payments? You're not alone. In fact, thousands of families across the U.S. are searching for help with their mortgage right now. Rising costs, higher interest rates, and unexpected financial struggles have made it harder than ever to keep up. But here's the good news. There are solutions. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through practical steps, powerful insights, and proven strategies that can help you manage your mortgage, reduce the stress, and even get back on track financially. So if you've been searching online for help with mortgage, this video is for you. Stay with me until the end because I promise you'll leave with clarity, hope, and an action plan. First, let's talk about why so many people are struggling with their mortgage right now. Mortgage payments are one of the biggest financial responsibilities most of us carry. Unlike credit cards or smaller loans, your mortgage is tied to something essential, your home. Missing payments doesn't just affect your credit score, it can eventually put your living situation at risk. Over the past few years, housing prices have gone up, interest rates have risen, and inflation has pushed the cost of living higher. That means more families are stretched thin, balancing food, gas, healthcare, and, of course, that monthly mortgage payment. And when money gets tight, the mortgage is often the biggest stress point. So if you've ever looked at your payment due date and thought, "How am I going to cover this month?" You are not alone. Millions of Americans are in the exact same situation. Now, before we dive into solutions, it's important to understand why acting quickly matters. If you ignore late payments, here's what can happen. After 15 days, many lenders charge late fees. After 30 days, it gets reported to credit bureaus. After 90 days, you're considered seriously delinquent. And eventually, if nothing is done, foreclosure could happen. But listen carefully, foreclosure is not inevitable. You have options, you have rights, and there are programs designed specifically to help homeowners avoid that outcome. The key is, don't wait. The sooner you act, the more choices you'll have. All right, let's move into solutions. Here are practical steps you can take if you're struggling with your mortgage. First, contact your lender immediately. Most people avoid their lender out of fear. But in reality, your lender does not want to foreclose on your home. Foreclosure costs them money and time. Call your lender's loss mitigation department. Ask about options such as a temporary payment reduction, a loan modification to lower your interest rate, or even a repayment plan to catch up on missed payments. By simply reaching out, you show responsibility and increase the chance they'll work with you. Second, look into forbearance programs. Forbearance allows you to pause or reduce payments for a set period. This is not forgiveness, but it can give you breathing room if you're facing temporary hardship like job loss or medical bills. Many lenders, especially after COVID-era programs, still have forbearance policies in place. Ask if you qualify. Third, explore government assistance. The U.S. government has multiple programs to help homeowners. For example, FHA loans often have built-in options for modification. The Homeowner Assistance Fund in many states still provides relief to families behind on payments. If you're a veteran, the VA loan program has specific protections to prevent foreclosure. Check your state's housing agency website. You might be surprised at what's available. Fourth, refinancing options. If interest rates have come down, or if your credit has improved, refinancing your mortgage could lower your monthly payments significantly. Yes, refinancing takes effort, paperwork, and closing costs, but in the long run, it might save you hundreds of dollars every month. Fifth, budget reset and expense audit. This one might sound simple, but it's powerful. Sit down and go through your monthly expenses. Ask yourself, what subscriptions can I cancel? What lifestyle expenses can I temporarily cut back? Can I negotiate bills like insurance, phone plans, or utilities? Every dollar you free up helps you protect your home, and that's worth the sacrifice. Sixth, seek nonprofit counseling. There are HUD-approved housing counselors who offer free or low-cost advice. They can help you communicate with your lender, understand your rights, and even apply for assistance programs. You don't have to face this alone. Seventh, last resort, selling before foreclosure. If you truly can't afford your mortgage long-term, it may be smarter to sell your home before foreclosure damages your credit. In some cases, a short sale, where the lender accepts less than what you owe, may be possible. It's a tough decision, but it can protect your financial future. Now let's talk about some practical tips to stay ahead. Always open mail from your lender. Ignoring it won't make it go away. Keep track of due dates and set up automatic payments if possible. Build an emergency fund, even if it's small. If you get a bonus, tax refund, or extra income, consider putting some towards your mortgage principal. It can save you thousands over time. And remember, your credit score matters. Protecting it now will open more opportunities later. You're not powerless. With the right plan, you can take control. I want to pause here and say something important. Struggling with a mortgage does not mean you failed. Life is unpredictable. Layoffs, medical bills, inflation, family emergencies, these things happen. The fact that you're watching this video shows you're proactive. You care about your financial future, and that already puts you ahead of many others. So take a deep breath. You are not alone, and there is a way forward. Before we wrap up, here's a simple action plan you can start today. Step 1, call your lender. Ask about options for payment relief. Step 2, review your budget and free up cash where possible. Step 3, contact a HUD-approved counselor for free expert help. Do those 3 things and you've already taken control. So if you've been searching help with mortgage and feeling hopeless, remember this: there are real solutions available. You have rights as a homeowner, and most importantly, you're not facing this journey alone. If this video helped you, please share it with someone else who might be struggling. You never know who needs to hear these words of encouragement today. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be sharing more financial guidance, tools, and strategies to help you live with confidence and stability. Take care, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.